Freshmen. I hope you're having a great day. So, what you're getting ready to do is a digital breakout. So, my name is Mrs. Finney. I'm one of your two librarians. Mrs. Sandberg is your other librarian, and Mrs. Hall is your library clerk. Typically, at the beginning of every year, we like to invite you to the library to participate in an orientation activity that's more than the 30 seconds you get on Freshman Orientation Day. And in this activity, what we do is we get you acquainted with the physical library and its physical resources, like our copiers, our computers, and our resources you might use for projects, as well as our electronic resources that you would use for research and projects throughout your 4 years here. And of course, we also have our books that we promote for you to read as well. So, with that in mind, due to COVID and our current situation, we can't have our large groups of freshmen in the library right now. You can still come in to print a resource, to pick up items, and to do your research, but it's just in limited quantities. So what we have today is your freshman orientation in a digital manner. So you're going to be completing a breakout room. You're either going to be doing it all online and filling out this Google form right here, or your teacher might have a printed worksheet with these exact same questions. They'll let you know what you're doing. Your goal, though, is to answer these 6 questions or locks by finding the clues on these 3 pages about the library. Your clues are going to be hidden in different types of information. They may be in paragraph text that you have to read, they may be pictures that you have to click on, or they may be actual puzzles that you have to solve. So take your time, actually read through things, and look for the clues. Now, what I would suggest doing, if your teacher has you doing the digital form here, I would come up to the top and I would click on this tab and I would open these 3 pages in a separate tab. Because if you're on this page and you click on a second one, you might lose the questions you've answered so far. So there are 3 pages you're going to be looking at. This home page, which does have a clue on it. The hours and staff, which give you more information about us and the library itself and when we're open. And the 3rd page is about our research and our resources. The most and the majority of your clues will be on this page. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to email Mrs. Sandberg or myself. Our contact information is on the hours and staff page. There's also information about our text for help number on these pages that you can use as well. One final pitch before I let you go. Down here at the bottom of the homepage is this Browse for You resource. So if you are a big reader and you haven't gotten to read yet this year, because unfortunately, due to COVID, we can't have you coming in touching all the books all the time. So what we've come up with is a Browse for You form. So just fill out this information, your name, what you're interested in, and your library staff will work to pull resources for you. I look forward to seeing you soon, and if you have any questions, please let us know.